Using forms to let clients self-select their needs is a smart way to save time and ensure you're meeting their exact requirements. Whether you're running a service-based business or managing customer inquiries, letting clients choose what they need can streamline your workflow and increase conversions. Stick with me till the end to learn how to use forms effectively and see a live demo of how it's done. Now, the first thing you need to know is that forms are all about simplifying the process for both you and your client. Instead of endless back and forth emails or phone calls, a well-structured form lets clients decide on their own what they want. But how do you set that up? Start by identifying key questions that will help you understand what your clients need. These questions should be straightforward, but also give enough insight to help you provide the best solution. Think about breaking it down into sections, what kind of service they're looking for, their budget, timeline, or any preferences they have. The next step is choosing the right form fields. Options like checkboxes, drop-down menus, and multi-choice fields allow clients to pick their preferences quickly. You don't want to overwhelm them with too many questions. Focus on what's essential and keep the form as short as possible. The goal is for the client to feel like they're guiding the conversation without getting bogged down by unnecessary details. Once you've designed your form, it's time to think about the user experience. Make sure the form is easy to navigate and mobile-friendly. A frustrating form can drive potential clients away, so it's important that it feels seamless on any device. I tried several popular form building tools, and I've got to say, this software we're using today stands out. It's intuitive, customizable, and designed with the user in mind. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to use it. After you've set up your form, you can embed it on your website or share it via email. When a client submits their information, you can automatically direct them to the right solution or follow up with a personalized response. This process helps eliminate guesswork and speeds up the decision-making process for both sides. Remember to test your forms before going live. Check for any errors or confusing sections and make sure the answers you're receiving are actionable. You don't want to waste time collecting data that doesn't help you serve your clients better. By using forms to let clients self-select their needs, you're creating a more efficient process that benefits everyone. It's easy, saves time, and ensures you provide the right solutions. The key takeaway here is forms are an essential tool for empowering clients to guide the conversation based on their needs. Use them wisely, and you'll save yourself time while enhancing your customer experience. So, to recap, start by identifying key questions, choose the right form fields, focus on user experience, and make sure to test your forms before going live. And before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been using in the description below. This trial is only available to my viewers, so make sure to take advantage of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.